Hey, I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Flex Clamp and Gooseneck mount for your GoPro. Now, I'm also going to be reviewing it, but also demonstrating some really creative ways to use it, which is why I got it for myself. So let's dive in. This mount comes with a clamp that is super sturdy and has a very powerful grip, which is super important if you want to use it on a windy day or place it on a moving vehicle like a bike, skateboard, one wheel, or even a car. While the clamp is strong, it's not going to damage anything that you actually clamp it onto thanks to its design. I can clamp it onto my chair or my table, for example, and it's not going to damage either. The gooseneck, along with 6 other accessories, are included, 4 screws and 2 connectors. I did see a few questions that asked if you could use the clamp just as a stand, and yes, this little insert here allows you to use the clamp as a stand and actually maintain balance while doing so. I do have my GoPro attached to it now, but you could also attach a point and shoot camera or even attach your phone if you have the accessories for it. Of course, you can also use the clamp by itself, but if you're at a weird angle or really want to ensure that you get that perfect shot, it takes like 2 seconds to detach it and then easily attach the gooseneck onto it and you're ready to go. Once you have the gooseneck attached, your filming possibilities are endless as you can really ensure that you get the angle that you're aiming for. As an example, you can see here that I'm using it as a selfie stick, or if you attach the clamp onto something sideways using the gooseneck, you can easily make the camera angle level. Now, here are a few ideas that I had while using this mount at the beach. I realized quickly that you can actually attach this clamp to about anything. For example, I placed it around my beach chair so I could have it looking over my shoulder and capturing the ocean. Then for kind of a more fun action shot, I decided to hook the clamp to my paddle while I was playing paddleball, and it allowed me to get some really cool video footage and some really unique angles that I couldn't have gotten any other way. So if you're looking to get more creative in your videos and have an accessory that you can use anywhere, then I definitely recommend adding this clamp and gooseneck mount to your camera bag. Enjoy!